I'm Eddie, and I want you to be the best YouTuber you can be. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about finding the time to start your channel. Now, I know this is a little difficult for a lot of you to understand, that you've got the job, you've got the school, you've got homework or kids, family, parents. Like, there's a million reasons why you don't have the time to start a YouTube channel. I'm telling you right now, it's not about finding the time, because you can't. Time is a finite resource that you're just not going to get any more of. What you need to do instead of finding time is make it. And what I mean by that is, when you make time, you're going to go out of your way to change your behaviors in order to get that time. For example, if you set your alarm 5 minutes earlier in the morning, get up a little bit earlier, get stuff done. If you can take a shorter shower, focus on getting your homework done sooner, learn a study habit, just different things that you can do throughout the day to add that just a couple minutes here, a couple minutes here. By the end of the day, they add up. So what I'm suggesting for you is, instead of finding time, make time. The reason I'm saying this is something that you can actually do is, let's take a look at all the billionaires in the world. Elon Musk, he's a perfect example. He doesn't have any more time throughout the day than you do. The difference is, when he's doing his stuff throughout the day, he's putting specific things aside for specific purposes. He makes the time. He sleeps, I think, like 7 hours a day. That's a lot of time that you're missing in your day. But he also gets up and gets going full speed to get everything accomplished. He doesn't spend time sitting there playing on his phone, reading comic books, or doing all the things that are not really that important to him. I'm not saying those aren't important to you, especially if those are things that you enjoy. If you enjoy playing video games, if you enjoy reading comic books, you could turn that into a YouTube channel. You just have to make the time to go out and get that done. And that's all I'm suggesting. I hope this helps, and I hope you're having a good day. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications so I can continue to help you be a better YouTuber.